Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. As you see the profile of this boat, it is in the light blue gel coat. Very popular option for this boat, really sets it off nicely. Starting here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the optional 115 Mercury. You also have the teak package, which includes teak on the swim platform on the back where the ladder is, and also the teak steps on the side. Starting here in the stern, you see this boat is equipped also with the aft seats that are a new option from Whaler. The seats flip up and remove when not in use. The backrest are removable also. Moving up to the helm area, this boat has blue line live well with aerator. Seat that has multiple positions, whether you want to sit facing forward, obviously when you're operating the boat, or sit facing backwards. At the helm, you've got the Raymarine 7-inch Axiom display, Raymarine VHF Fusion stereo, your Raymarine place for your chart chip that runs your Axiom. All the way on the top of the dash, you also have your USB inputs and the place for your all-around white light or stern light, which does go through the bimini top. As you see, this boat is equipped with the bimini. This boat also has the fishing package. So when you come up forward, you've got rod holders. You also have tackle storage here, cooler seat here, big bow cushion. And one thing on the new redesign for this boat, there is an additional fish box here in addition to your anchor locker, which goes here. This boat is also equipped with the trolling motor panel from the factory. So if you ever wanted to add a trolling motor, it's a very easy application. The bow light stores away when not in use. Gives it a nice clean look up here for when you're tied to the dock as well. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, or check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.